The object looks like a little marble that flies through space and comes up close, and it's a curiosity, and I sent it to somebody at NASA and they couldn't explain what it was, and I really don't know what it was either. It was just an interesting anomaly to see there.
Have you seen much of that footage come about over the years, where you see sort of like an orb that...
This is the only case that I've seen where you can actually see a little circular object. And this was 25 years ago or something like that. And it was of interest at the time.
And what did NASA said they couldn't explain it?
I just sent it to an individual at Marshall Space Flight Center, and he wasn't sure what it was, and that's as far as I got with it.
This documentary covers a history of space secrecy and the most controversial UFO events ever captured on NASA's own space cameras. Perhaps this documentary provides some of the best evidence that the Earth is being visited by UFOs. This film features interviews with David Serrata, Dr. Jack Kasher, and Dr. Andrew Jacob, among many more.
The human body receives information in different ways. One way it receives information is through light.
This is Mission Control, Houston. This view is being taken with the GLOW camera, housed in Endeavour's payload bay as one of 4 different experiments that are hitching a ride with the International Extreme Ultraviolet Hitchhiker payload that is housed in Endeavour's payload bay.
But when NASA developed cameras that could see into invisible wavelengths of light, into infrared, far infrared, and then you get into near, far, and extreme ultraviolet sensitivity, this is when there was a wealth of phenomena.
The seemingly deliberate nature of the movement of these objects seems near impossible to explain away as naturally occurring phenomena. Former NASA employee James Oberg has determined the objects to be just ice, which can be illuminated based on near-Earth conditions. Other scientists like Dr. Jack Kasher say that this explanation is impossible.
NASA has had a number of cases where they have dealt in some fashion with UFOs.
We only detect a very, very narrow part, an extremely narrow part of that whole spectrum of light.
In this film, they analyze mankind's ability to see into different light spectrums beyond the human eye's capabilities. Then they discuss how NASA has been using cameras that see into these spectrums and how they have been recording UFO incidents above Earth orbits for decades. Beyond the Spectrum is available for online streaming right now on Amazon Prime. The link is below. Watch it now.